Hey, good morning. Ready for another day? It's 7 o'clock. I'm going to the van. I have a lesson at 10, so I got to come back for a part in the afternoon, and I want to edit some videos. So I will be taking a few hours off the van today. But I just wanted to tell you that I'm so anxious to finish this wall and to show you when it's all done. Okay, so I will try to show it to you and try to get Dave to help me out with the shelves. Have a good day. Hi guys. It's the end of the day. Home Depot. I'm still here. I don't know what time it is. Oh, I gotta check on my phone. But yeah, this is what I did. Finished the box pretty much. And I started this side of the wall, which is cool. And I was starting to go up, and then I said, whoops, I forgot to put some wood as these two. So I prepared everything, but my battery went off. So tomorrow I'll bring my my power station. So it's pretty good, you know, like I have a little bit of tweaking to do, but everything is okay, you know, like it's gonna be fine. You know, like I'm gonna have to put some wood filling there. It's not gonna be that bad. I put this part to glue so I can cut all in once. This part that goes here. So you see, it's coming along. Now I can't wait to get on my ceiling because these things, so like wanting to come down, it's crazy. So I'm gonna leave you on this, guys, and see you again tomorrow, okay? Good morning. This is shelf time today. So we're gonna put these shelves up. Hopefully it will go well. So I'll let you know how it goes. Here we go. My friend Dave helping me putting these shelves up. We toggle both 3 big pieces like this, and it's gonna be with these bolts and these. Now we're putting the wood in place. Back it in, and then we're going to be ready to put it up. Hey guys, so as you can see, oops, alright, there's one shelf on, that's it. I couldn't do more because the time, you know, everybody was busy. It took forever to figure out how to do this, so people don't buy stuff that is already made when you do a van. This is not a good idea. This really was hard to figure out how to hook it up, and we know how to do the other one now. It's not going to take that long, but it took forever anyways. So I'm back home and I'm going to go edit, and I'm just going to rest because I'm really tired today. So you guys, bye-bye. It's Saturday. I think it's July, what? July 11th already. Oh, jeez. July 11th, and I want to finish this for the end of July, so we'll see about that. Okay? So my walls are almost up. I'm very happy about that. I got my doors to do. I got so much. My solar to install, the wires, I mean, because it's already installed. And electricity, plumbing. So hopefully I will do that in 20 days. Bye everybody. Look, I had a visitor. I'm having a visitor. Hi baby. While I'm doing all my work. It's getting there. It's getting there. It's raining a little bit today, but look at this cutie. How you doing? He's so cute. Oh, nature is so beautiful. Hey guys, this is the end of the day. 7:05 almost 30. Look, partially installed a other cabinet. It needs to be secured on top. I finished pretty much the walls and the boxes covered up with the 1,000 grooves, and I also did the furring on the ceiling, ready to do the ceiling sort of tomorrow, because I have to find out where I'm going to pass all my wires first and then close that ceiling. So that's what's going to happen tomorrow, hopefully. So you got it here. It's almost, see, it's almost done. All the boxes are nice and all covered up and glued and whatever. So did a big day. I look like shit too, you know. I'm sorry about that. I look very bad, very tired, because I am. I'm gonna go eat, have a beer, and just relax. So have a good night, everybody, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.